Here pretty quick, guys. I hope you have a good Thursday. Like I said, I really never did a show on Thursday, and I'm sure I'll find out why I don't do a show on Thursday. Because why should Thursday be like any other day? No one listens to this shit anyway. Right, Bob? Yeah, I know, Bob. We still plug away though, don't we, buddy? Yeah, we'll keep plugging away. What else we're gonna have? Well, we could finish off. We're gonna go to a little bit of Star Trek sound, and we'll be signing off here pretty quick. Captain Boo's podcast always has been, always will be a military appreciation station. Thank you guys, wherever you may be. God bless you. Stay safe, and we hope you make it home safe for the holidays to be with your loved ones and your family. Thank you. Thank you guys for all that you do. Big shout out to Donna Stapleton and Linda Moore. Thank you, gals. We love you down here. Take care of my brothers and us while we were over there in Vietnam, and God bless you. You're special ladies. We love you very much. Keep up the good work. Keep up the support. Yeah, as we all need in these trying times. All right, guys. And a big shout out to all the nurses out there, doctors that are on the front lines. Sometimes feels like it's a losing battle, I suppose, for these guys. But yet they're there every day. God bless you guys. All right, I'm out of here. I suppose I just got to get him out.